pregnancy bladder?
My mom.
Do you know what it does?
Hold your pee.
So your bladder is like this empty.
It's a shield.
It's not a shield. It's like an empty container in your body, right? So when your kidneys filter out your blood, it filters out all the bad stuff. The bad stuff ends up in your pee. All right. So that goes down these tubes. No, it's not. Alright. Moving on. Ureter. These tubes are called a ureter. And then this is the bladder that's there. So the bladder is empty, right? When your kidneys filter out blood and it filters out all that junk. It's not a wall. No, you actually want it to go in. It's like a little container, right? So you want the pee to go into your bladder.
Yeah, and you want to hold it. You don't want to hold it. Right. You don't want it to hold it in, or you don't want to get like a.
Yeah, that's right. So the bladder is just, it's just like a cup, right? It can only hold so much. So if you keep pouring so much in it, it's gonna overflow, right? Right?
And then
Exactly.
what?
So this thing down here, this is called the urethra, and everyone has one. So this is what allows you to
This is a project focusing on the urinary tract system. We have the kidneys, we have the ureters, these straws down here, we have the bladder and this cup, and then this is kind of like your toilet, right? So in here we already have some litter, and that's the stuff that the kidneys are filtering out that you want to keep. This water, when you mix the glitter and the water together, that's like the blood with the junk that they need to filter out. So as you can see, filtering up the kidneys, it's making sure that none of the glitter comes out, and it's going up to the bladder. And sometimes if you have too much, it can overflow.